Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious potato and tomato soup. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, firm potatoes, and some aromatic vegetables. Next, we'll prepare everything by washing, peeling, and chopping. Make sure your cooking equipment, especially a large pot, is ready for action. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's build our flavor base. Heat some olive oil in your large pot, then add diced onions and minced garlic. Sauté them until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add your diced potatoes to the pot. Cook them for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure they don't stick and cook evenly. This step is crucial for a rich taste.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, for those of you who love to stay organized, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super handy for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Stepping in on the road, the IS500 V8 delivers a smooth, linear power band with an intoxicating exhaust note, offering a classic sport sedan feel. The Stinger, with its turbocharged V6, provides immediate torque and agile handling, making it a formidable performance bargain. While the IS500 commands a higher price point, the Stinger offers exceptional performance and features for its cost.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.